Excel ribbon and their commands.
Auto-fit prohibit. It means auto-fitting the height of the row as per the data inside it. Suppose I am changing some rows. I am selecting these rows. Now I am giving this instruction. Okay, it is auto fitted as per the data. Auto fit column width. Auto fitting the width of column as per the data in column. Example, I am selecting D, E, F. I am giving the instruction. Okay, it is changed it. Column is adjusted as per the data. Move or copy sheet. It means creating a duplicate copy of a sheet. Example, sheet 1, create a copy. Okay, a duplicate sheet is created. Protect sheet, protecting the data of a sheet, giving a password. Example, protect sheet and giving a password. Again I am giving same password. This sheet is protected. Then I am giving some changes. No changes are allowed. Again I am going to same location and protect sheet. Give the same password. Again I am changing the data. Okay, we can change the data. Lock cell and format cell. By default, all cells are locked automatically. We can change the lock of a cell by clicking the format cell. Then go to protection. You can see it is locked in cell number C9. Just I am unlocking this cell. Click OK. Okay, this C9 is unlocked and other cells are already locked. Again I am giving the protection. I am giving any password, giving the same password. I am giving some changes. It is not allowed, but I am giving in C9. It is allowed to change. By this way, we can partially protect a sheet by removing the lock of cells.